Welcome to the Tips in a Jiffy Lube Video Series. Today, we will be discussing one of the most important safety features on your vehicle, the brakes. Even though you don't see them every day, brakes suffer from wear and tear, just like your tires or other parts of your vehicle. In addition to getting them inspected on a regular basis, there are ways your brakes will tell you when they need some attention. Do you hear a high-pitched squeal when you come to a stop in your vehicle? Has that high-pitched squeal turned into a grinding noise? If you answered yes, your brakes may need some LOVE ASAP. Those unpleasant sounds you're hearing may be metal hitting metal. Now, let's take a look at the most common brake system in vehicles today, the disc brake system. In this type of system, each time you press down on the brake pedal, the brake fluid gets pressurized in the master cylinder, which then causes the pad to press against the rotor, which then works to stop your vehicle. Over time, your brake rotors and pads wear down due to normal use. Your brake system should be inspected regularly. Routine brake system inspection promotes optimal brake performance and can likely help prevent you from having costly repairs in the future. Don't forget, if you have any questions or are unsure about anything we've discussed, just bring your vehicle into a Jiffy Lube and let our team give you the help you need. That's it for brakes. Thanks for watching and happy stopping. We'll see you on the road.